Scratch down to a half a dozen here in the 8th, top of the stretch. Here they come. They're off and pacing. One Hot Vet is leaving out. Veronica Vermilion from the outside. Guarding the rail third. Seagull LaRouche. Fourth into the turn. Scotian Lass up the inside. Block Party in fifth. Trailing the field. Woodmere No Fool. They're at the 8th pole. And it's One Hot Vet to lead it for Wade Torrey. Second at the rail, Veronica Vermilion coming 3 high into the backfield quickly. Block Party picking them off rather easily here. Block Party sailing to the front for Hughes. Second is One Hot Vet. Then in third, Veronica Vermilion. CL LaRouche fourth. Scotian Lass fifth. And then the trailer. That's Woodmere No Fool 30. And 2/5 open it up. And Block Party went on to the lead for Jason Hughes. In the 2-hole, it's One Hot Vet. Veronica Vermilion goes after them third. Fourth on the rail is CL LaRouche, followed by Scotian Lass and the trailer, Woodmere No Fool. They're halfway home in the 8th, led by Block Party and Jason Hughes. In the 2-hole, it's One Hot Vet. Veronica Vermilion continues third. No movement here. Pacing fourth, CL LaRouche, Scotian Lass fifth, and a gapped out Woodmere No Fool, trailing the field. Halfway home in a 101 flat. That was 30-3 in the second split. On their way to 3/4. Block Party's gonna get some company. Here comes Veronica Vermilion, and she's gonna drive right by for Brody McPhee. One Hot Vet to the outside third. Scotian Lass fourth. Then in fifth, that's CL LaRouche. Woodmere No Fool's got a big-time problem. She's dropped right out of it here. 3/4 in a 132 and 4. It's all Veronica Vermilion by 4. One Hot Vet is now second. Block Party third. Scotian Lass on the outside fourth. Deep in the stretch. On the line they come next. And Veronica Vermilion by open lengths for Brody McPhee. One Hot Vet will be second. Scotian Lass drove up to be third. 2:03.